Hi everyone, welcome to DVS Math.
Triangles exercise 2.5. So in previous session we discussed question number 6. Now we are moving on to the question number 7. So it is like this. Prove that the sum of the square of the sides. Prove that the sum of the square of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. So this is very simple and very important question. Prove that sum of the square of sides of rhombus is equal to the sum of the square of its diagonals. So before starting this question, you have to understand the properties of rhombus. As you all know, in rhombus all the sides are equal and diagonals intersect each other, right? They bisect each other. So first let us write. So in rhombus ABCD, let us take a rhombus that is ABCD. So ABCD is a rhombus here with diagonals AC and BD. They are intersecting at O. Okay, we took, and remember the only difference between the square and rhombus are in square all sides and diagonals are also equal. But in rhombus only all sides equal but not the diagonals. Their diagonals are not equal. Okay, just you take rhombus ABCD and with diagonals mention the diagonals. Which are the diagonals here? AC and BD. They are intersecting at O. Okay, what we have to prove? What we have to prove? Sum of the square of all sides. Sum of the square of all sides. Which are the all sides? AB. So sum means addition, square of all sides. So AB square, BC square, CD square and AD square. So sum means plus is equal to sum of square of its diagonals. So sum of square of its diagonals means AC and BD. So AC square plus BD square. Here they have given in the sentence form. By observing the sentence and understanding the sentence, you have to make it them as a verbal form, that is AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square, means sum of square of all sides of rhombus. Here we are considering the rhombus is equal to sum of square of its diagonals. So we can write it in this. So let's start the proof. Since the sides of rhombus are equal, the first property we are considering, the first property of rhombus, that is all sides are equal. All sides are equal means what you can write? AB equals, BC equals, CD equals, AD. You can observe the figure. If you observe the figure, you can write it as, so this AB equals, BC equals, CD equals, AD. All sides are equal. Okay, let's next go for next. And in this rhombus, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. They bisect each other at right angles. Right angles means at the bisection, means if the diagonals which are intersecting, they form 90 degree. They form bisect each other. Right angles means 90 degree. Okay, that means you can observe, that is angle AOB. If you consider AOB, BOC and COD and AOD all are equal to 90 degree. 90 degree you have to write. Okay. So which is the first property of rhombus? All sides are equal. Which is the second property of rhombus? Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Means angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, angle DOA are equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now here you can observe. Here you can observe if they bisect each other. So here you can observe the center is O, right? So that means AO and CO. AO and CO is equal to half of AC. If they are bisecting each other at right angles, means they are equal parts now. AO equals CO. If you want the length of AO and CO, we have to take half of AC. Half of AC or AC by 2. You can write it as AC by 2. Okay. In the same case, BO and DO both are equals because they are also intersecting at right angles. BO equals DO, which is nothing but half of BD, right? Or you can write it as BD by 2. That means if you take half of BD, you will get BO and DO. You can observe in the figure. Observe clearly. Here you have AO and CO. If you want the length of this part and this part, you have to take half of this whole part, that is AC by 2. In the same way, if you want BO and DO, you have to take the half of whole part, that is BD. So BD by 2. Okay, consider it as equation 1 and equation 2. So let's go for proving. So here we have to consider one triangle, means what you know that AOB, BOC, COD and DOC all are equal to 90 degree. So you can apply the Pythagoras theorem for any one of that. So here I have taken the first part, that is AOB. So AOB is right angle triangle because it is 90 degree. So as it is 90 degree, you can apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square, which is an hypotenuse. Look here, if this is 90 degree, opposite to 90 degree it is hypotenuse, it is AB. So AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square. So now we are applying this OA OB. So OA square means AC by 2 whole square. AC by 2 whole square, or half of AC you can take it as. Plus what is OB? Half of BD, or BD by 2 whole square. From 1 and 2 you can write it as. Now let us simplify this. So AB square, let it be as it is. So AC square by 4, BD square by 4. So now taking LCM, so as it is AC by 2 whole square, right? So AC by 2 whole square means AC square, 2 square it is 4. So AC square by 4 plus BD square by 4. So here what we have to take? Here we have to take AC square plus BD square. Taking LCM, 4 is an LCM. So if you will get cross multiply 4 this side, it becomes 4AB square is equal to AC square plus BD square. So 4AB square means what we can write? So for example, if you are considering 4A, how we will write? A plus A plus A plus A. That means you are going to add A for 4 times. Clear? In the same way, it is 4AB square. You will write AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. How many times? 4 times. And RHS will be same. Now keep it AB as it is. As you all know, all sides of the rhombus are equal. So instead of AC, we can write it as BC. Okay, BC. Again, instead of AB, you can write it as CD. Instead of AP, you can write it as AD. So by keeping one as it is, for remaining others, taking other sides. So okay, finally you got the proof. That means sum of the square of all the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the square of its diagonal. Yes, right. So this is about proof.
For more exercise questions, subscribe my channel. Keep watching.